Welcome everybody, my name is Michael and today we are discussing about why now or the coming weeks might be a great opportunity to invest in Bitcoin and potentially Ethereum. So obviously we dropped quite a bit from all-time highs and there is a lot of panic in the markets. However, right now, if you're able to invest, if you do have a stable income, you have extra capital that you're able to put forward each week, each month. Maybe you've got some money lying around, you already have an emergency fund, you've got a car, you've got a house, maybe it's all paid off, you are all set to go. You just want some more financial independence, you want to invest, you want to save up for retirement, whatever your goals may be, then it's probably a good time to invest, especially for the long term. Short term, there's always moments and opportunities, but I'm no expert on that, and many people fail to properly trade in the short term, and it's essentially very high risk. So unless you're a very experienced trader, I'd advise against that. Dollar cost averaging is going to be the easiest for pretty much anybody out there, unless you'd like to time the market. And of course, again, you're going to play with greater rewards, but also higher risk. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's easier to lose your money, especially once you get into leverage and all that. However, if you're just dollar cost averaging, going for the long term, I'm talking long term, not a year, not 2 years, but 5, 10, 15, even longer terms like that, then yeah, it is an awesome opportunity to buy right now because we've dropped a fair amount. And even if it continues to drop $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 for Bitcoin, I mean, at that point, it doesn't really matter because, again, you are investing for the long term here. And we've dropped such a great amount. It's easier more than ever before. Well, I mean, before, if you purchased back in 2017 or in 2012, obviously you'd have great money right now. But it's now a better time than earlier in the year, of course, to purchase Bitcoin because you have the opportunity to get a whole Bitcoin or half a Bitcoin or whatever you can afford. Whereas before, one Bitcoin was $60,000 or potentially even $70,000 or even higher if you're paying at a premium at some exchanges. This is a perfect time right now at $20,000, maybe even below over the next couple of weeks. It already hit $17,000 before, so generally it's going to go up. There's going to be periods where everything's very rough, and right now is an incredibly risky time period because of the general recession and all these factors outside of cryptocurrency. But for Bitcoin, it is going to go up, most likely just based off of past history during the halving event, which again, every 3 to 4 years we see major activity. Regardless, the halving event is usually right before or right after is when there's a lot of activity for that. So if you can hold out till then and you're accumulating the entire time, every week, every month, whatever you can afford, if you're putting in a couple $100 every month, let's say, you're going to have tens of thousands of dollars. And especially once it's increasing, you're going to see that portfolio go up really quickly. And then you can start going into the altcoins. If you're going for retirement every single day, you don't go into a 401k or crypto for retirement, you're losing out. Yes, there's going to be moments where if you time the market, you'd have more money. But for the average person, time in the market beats timing the market. So you need to have as much time as possible. And every single day you delay is a day further from being able to retire off of your funds, right? Being able to use them for the next big thing, another business you want to start, or whatever venture you might need it for.
I always love when it's becoming dusk. Or is the term dawn? No, dawn is early morning, dusk. There we go. Look at that gorgeous color.
Right now is a good time to slowly invest maybe 1% to 5% of what you're earning per week, per month, and then you're able to reap the profits 5, 10 years from now. You're not going to be too worried about what's going on. Especially with the recession right now, there's going to be plenty of opportunities even outside of crypto to make money. You always have to have multiple sources of income, which unfortunately I don't have at the moment, and that's why I'm not investing. If I could, I would. If I could, I definitely would, but I don't even have enough money. I can't even live paycheck to paycheck. I'm negative at this point. I'm not making enough money, and my earnings are going down, and prices are going up, and got to do a side hustle, and then I'll be able to invest. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, follow me on my journey. Hopefully we're able to get to 2,000 subscribers. That'd be very lovely, and hopefully Bitcoin's able to increase a little bit better, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks so much. Have a good one.